So this week, I showed my partner something that I had been silently working on. Something she had no idea what was coming. Just one guess. Do you know what this is going to be?
A showreel?
For the last 2 weeks, I disappeared into this rabbit hole of AI, coding, databases, workflows, and somehow ended up building something that I've been dreaming about for over 10 years. Yes! This is a platform for our production company, a system that could possibly change the way we work. And when I finally showed it to her,
Whoa. Oh my God.
it's like hiring a coder to make it. And I hired Claude.
Yourself?
Yeah. But then only a few hours later, the excitement wore off, and I started asking myself the brutal question. Wait, did I actually build something we need, or did I just get excited for no reason? And this is exactly what big, medium, and small companies are going through on a massive scale while jumping on the bandwagon of adopting AI. So in this video, I'll attempt to break down what's really going on in the real world of building something from scratch using AI through my own experience in running a small business. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Nikhil. 10 years ago, I left my corporate job at Microsoft to start my own video production company. And I document the real world journey on my channel of what it really takes to run this company. So every single project has taught us something. We as a production company learned from all these experiences. But how much do we really remember things at the right time? Everything has been scattered in the form of emails, WhatsApp notes, Notion tasks, and slowly, without even realizing it, I became a database. So when someone asks me, oh, how much did you code for that client, or who worked on that project? Most of the time, someone has to ask me. If I really want to scale, that's the worst kind of bottleneck any company should have. I started working with ChatGPT, Claude, databases on Notion, understanding my own company, the working dynamics of the moving parts like clients, projects, freelancers, invoices. And while connecting the dots, I realized the craziest thing was I wasn't learning about AI. I was learning about how my company truly works. So there's a saying, the best way to learn is to teach. That's literally what I went through. I learned about all the inner workings of my own company by teaching AI, making it crystal clear on how these elements connect with each other. Now is the interesting part, because this phase of building is very addictive, especially now, because AI has removed so much friction. Earlier, we've just had ideas in our head that, oh, maybe we should try this, maybe we should build this. And we'd come up with the idea and stop at, oh, but I don't know how to code. I'm not a developer. It costs too much. Now the dangerous part is this. You can actually build everything you can imagine. So I kept going. A code generator, a project management tool, a client database, freelancer network. And every day when I woke up, it would be like, what do I add to this now? Hold on. Did I just build a spaceship when all we really need is a bicycle? And hello, this isn't for free. Every iteration or every idea or every deployment costs money. Credits burn with every action that you take. We are burning through resources without even knowing whether this will even make us money or not. So if every project, nobody updates it, what's the point of even building this app? Everything in together, all these years we've been working on it, is in one place. It's very internal to NGM. So I think this is just to make our lives easier. That's the first step. Can it actually change the way we work? And maybe 6 months from now, I'll realize that I completely overbuilt this. Maybe the team tells me, Nikhil, nobody really needs this. And that is possible. The one thing I don't regret is the process. Because after 10 years of saying someone should actually come up and build this someday, I can proudly say that I built it. And maybe that's the biggest change AI brings. Because not everybody becomes a developer overnight by just using AI. It's only that people have been living with a problem in their head long enough, just like me, and finally, I get a chance to try solving it. So anyway, now comes the difficult part, getting my people to actually use it. So let's see what happens. This is Nikhil. We're out of frame.